I'd like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to TG4, and I'm forever grateful to be receiving Ceoltóir na Bliana. Thanks to Cormac DeBara, Maggie Brannock and Red Shoe Productions for the wonderful time we've all had. Thanks to John Call for his amazing sculpture. It'll have a special place in our home. Thanks to my dad Peter for his love of music and teaching me down through the years, and for my custom designed oak wood banjo that he had made for me. I went off like himself. Thanks to my mum Joan for her love of dancing and for her constant support all my life. To my sisters Fiona and Joanna, thanks for being amazing sisters and always ready to kick up the heels. Thanks to Shauna for her love and dedication, and I'm very proud of her. Thanks to Maureen, Roisin, Ryan and Peter and all my relations, friends and musicians in Manchester and Longford. To my good friend Nan Tom Tom in De Burkhardt, thanks for your endless support. Thanks to my best friend Grace Kelly, John Blake, Nathan Polanski and Ryan Owens. Thanks for being here and making it such a special night. There's one person I haven't thanked yet, who has been a constant love and support to me. Thanks for everything, Dan Bruder. And thanks to the Bruder family in Limerick. Congratulations to all the recipients. I'd like to pay tribute to Mary McPartland, who founded the Gradam Ceoil Awards and who made an outstanding contribution to Irish music and culture. I am honoured to be receiving this award, and I'd like to dedicate it to my dad, to my grandfather, and my late uncle Anthony. I'd like to congratulate TG4 on their 25th anniversary, and here's to many more great years. Have a great night, everyone. Thank you.